Hi, I'm Walter Washington, owner of Washington AC and Heating here in Houston, Texas. We are an all-in-one air conditioning and heating company. We specialize in lowering air conditioning and heating costs by providing energy-efficient solutions and products. Whether you are looking for a quick AC repair or a complete air conditioning installation, you have come to the right place. Our team of AC professionals have you covered no matter the season. Don't hesitate to call us for any reason. Actually, you can reach us on Google just by asking Google or Alexis.
Hey Google, what is the number of Washington and AC and Heating?
Phone number for Washington AC and Heating LLC on 2918 West Grand Parkway, North in Katy is 713-570-6539.
Just as simple as that. We're one phone call and one click away.